Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn that. What is the C++ programming language? And what topics are we going to cover in C++ programming playlist? So if you really want to learn C++ programming language, from beginning to an advanced level, then you are at right channel. But, first do subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, because only at this channel I'll upload all C++ tutorials. So before wasting any time, let's get started. Let's talk first about what C++ actually is. The answer to this question is simply that C++ is a general-purpose programming language created by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension of the C programming language. That is actually enough for you to know about it because we are here for more practical work, not for theory. Now let's talk about what are the topics we are going to cover in the C++ playlist. In these coming tutorials we will hopefully cover these topics. Basic structure of a C++ program. Programs with if-else statements. Programs with loops, include both while and for loops. Arrays in C++. Integer array in C++, both one-dimensional and two-dimensional. Character arrays and C string, both one-dimensional and two-dimensional. String in C++. Functions in C++. Passing one-dimensional arrays using functions. Passing two-dimensional arrays using functions. File handling in C++, bitwise operators in C++, pointers in C++, passing pointers to functions, and comparison with arrays. Dynamic memory allocation using pointer and one-dimensional array. Dynamic memory allocation using pointer and two-dimensional array. Memory leakage and dangling pointers. And I actually believe that by learning these topics you will become a good C++ programmer. I'll make it more sure that each topic covers at least 20 practice problems so that you will become a master of C++ and will not face any difficulty about C++. So do subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon and access this playlist so that you will not face any difficulty about the order of these tutorials. And if you think this tutorial was worthy, then do like and subscribe to this channel. Meet you in the first C++ tutorial. Till then, take care of yourselves and your family.